Okay, Bismillah. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. So today I'm gonna tell you 10 vocabularies about cooking. So without taking long time, let's go to the vocabularies. So the first vocabularies is required, and then the sentence is this is the one of the requirements to being a big restaurant. Then the second is dish. You need to wash the dish after eat. Then the third is strike. He just wanna eat when the mood strikes. Then the fourth is necessary. This is necessary. Then the fifth is proper. You need to get a proper meal for your breakfast. Then the sixth is privilege. He got a privilege of being the owner's son. Then the seventh is very, very. There are a lot of food, and it's and there are a lot of variation of one of that food. Then this eighth is cuisine. I like the cuisine of this restaurant. Then the ninth is apart. Apart from the main menu, there are a lot of menu that is that spicy or I like it. Then the 10th or the last is hassle free. That restaurant is hassle free. So maybe that's all from me. Sorry if there's a one word. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.